What if I told you that Tesla just achieved something so insane, so ridiculously fast, that every single car manufacturer on the planet should be terrified right now, because Elon Musk has just revealed that Tesla's Giga Press is completing full structural casting cycles in just 5 seconds, and the automotive world will never be the same again. That's right, 5 seconds, the time it takes you to blink twice, take a sip of coffee, or even just exhale. And Tesla has already stamped out a massive structural component that used to require over 70 individual parts, hundreds of assembly steps, and an enormous amount of labor and time to produce. Welcome back to Drive Tech Tesla, the channel where we bring you the hottest Tesla and EV news every single day, and today we are diving deep into this absolutely game-changing revelation because trust me, if you care about Tesla, if you care about electric vehicles, if you care about the future of transportation, or even just if you love watching human engineering push every possible boundary, you are going to want to watch every single second of this video. So buckle up, hit that like button right now because this one is going to blow your mind, and let's get into it. To understand why a 5-second Giga Press cycle time is such a colossal deal, we first need to talk about what the Giga Press actually is and why Tesla built it in the first place. The Giga Press is essentially the largest die-casting machine ever put into commercial use in the automotive industry. A towering, 6,000-ton monstrosity manufactured by Italian company IDRA Group that quite literally squeezes molten aluminum into perfectly formed structural shapes under incredible pressure. When Tesla first introduced this technology, the industry laughed. Traditional automakers had been building cars the same way for decades, stamping individual steel panels, welding them together in hundreds of steps, assembling thousands of parts one by one in long, complex, expensive production lines. Tesla looked at all of that and said, why don't we just cast the whole rear underbody in a single shot? And when they actually pulled it off with the Model Y in 2020, those same automakers stopped laughing very quickly. But now, Elon Musk is revealing that Tesla has taken that already revolutionary technology and pushed it to an entirely new frontier, a 5-second cycle time that makes everything we knew about Giga Press production look slow by comparison. Now let's talk about what a casting cycle actually involves, because you need to understand what's happening in those 5 seconds to truly appreciate how insane this is. When the Giga Press cycles, it starts with injecting superheated liquid aluminum alloy into the die at extremely high speed and pressure. We're talking pressures that would crush a car, temperatures that would vaporize water instantly. The molten metal flows through every channel and cavity of the precision-engineered die, filling out the complex three-dimensional shape of the structural casting perfectly. Then the machine has to cool the metal enough for it to solidify and hold its shape, release the die, eject the finished casting, reset the machine, and prepare for the next injection. That entire sequence, injection, cooling, solidification, ejection, reset, happening in 5 seconds is not just impressive. It is, by any measure, an engineering miracle. Traditional die-casting machines for parts of this complexity and size would typically take anywhere from 60 to 90 seconds per cycle. Even the fastest industrial casting operations for smaller parts would struggle to hit cycle times this aggressive for components of this scale. Tesla doing it in 5 seconds means they have fundamentally reimagined every step of this process simultaneously. The key to achieving this insane speed comes down to several revolutionary engineering decisions that Tesla has been quietly developing and refining over the past few years, and Elon Musk has now given us a window into how they did it. First, alloy optimization. Tesla's metallurgy team developed a proprietary aluminum alloy specifically designed for ultra-fast solidification without sacrificing strength or ductility. Traditional aluminum alloys take time to cool evenly because they're formulated for conventional casting speeds, but Tesla's custom alloy is engineered at the molecular level to solidify rapidly and uniformly, dramatically cutting down the cooling phase of the cycle. Second, thermal management inside the die itself has been completely revolutionized. Tesla engineers embedded an advanced network of cooling channels throughout the die that circulate temperature-controlled fluid with extreme precision, pulling heat out of the casting at a rate that would have been considered physically impossible just 5 years ago. The cooling isn't just faster. It's smarter, with real-time sensors and AI-controlled fluid dynamics that adapt the cooling rate moment by moment to ensure perfect solidification without any thermal stress or micro-cracking in the finished part. Third, and this is where it really gets exciting, Tesla has implemented a brand new injection system that uses a novel multi-gate approach to fill the die cavity faster and more uniformly than any single-gate system could achieve. By simultaneously injecting molten aluminum from multiple precisely calculated entry points, Tesla eliminates the flow-front race conditions that typically cause quality problems at high injection speeds, meaning they can push the injection phase dramatically faster without sacrificing part integrity. And fourth, the ejection and reset sequence has been automated and optimized to a degree that borders on science fiction. Robotic systems built directly into the machine handle part extraction, die cleaning, lubrication, and readiness confirmation in a perfectly choreographed sequence that happens in the background even as the previous cycle's casting is cooling, overlapping tasks that used to happen sequentially and turning them into a parallel process. Put all four of these innovations together and you get a 5-second cycle time that isn't a fluke or a one-time record run. It's a sustainable, repeatable production capability that Tesla is now scaling across its Gigafactory network. And here at Drive Tech Tesla, we want to make sure you understand exactly what this means for Tesla's production numbers, because the math is genuinely jaw-dropping. If a Giga Press can complete a full casting cycle every 5 seconds, that means it can potentially produce up to 720 complete structural castings per hour of operation. Compare that to a conventional 90-second cycle time, which would yield only 40 castings per hour, and you're looking at an 18-fold increase in throughput from the same piece of equipment. Even if we apply realistic efficiency factors, scheduled maintenance windows, occasional quality inspections, alloy replenishment cycles, an estimate that each Giga Press operates at a sustained rate of perhaps 500 usable castings per hour, the implications for Tesla's total vehicle production capacity are staggering. With multiple Giga Presses operating across Gigafactory Texas, Gigafactory Berlin, Gigafactory Shanghai, and Gigafactory Fremont, each running at this new speed, Tesla's structural casting bottleneck essentially evaporates. The front underbody, the rear underbody, and the new unibody single casting design that Tesla has been developing for next-generation vehicles, all of these can now be produced at a rate that matches or exceeds every other step in the assembly process, meaning the Giga Press is no longer the slowest link in the chain. That is a fundamental shift in Tesla's manufacturing economics. Now let's zoom out and talk about what this means competitively, because this is where things get really serious for the traditional automotive industry. Companies like Toyota, Volkswagen, Ford, General Motors, Hyundai, they've all been watching Tesla's Giga Press strategy with a mixture of awe and alarm. Several of them have announced their own gigacasting initiatives, with Toyota in particular making significant investments in large-format die-casting technology for their next-generation electric vehicles. But here's the brutal truth, even if Toyota, Volkswagen, or any other automaker manages to implement large-format die-casting in their factories tomorrow, which is itself a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar undertaking, they would be chasing Tesla's old numbers. The benchmark they're trying to reach, the 60 to 90-second cycle time that Tesla was already using when they first introduced the Giga Press, has now been completely obliterated. Tesla has moved the goalposts so far down the field that catching up isn't just difficult, it may be practically impossible within any timeframe that matters for the current EV market transition. The competitive moat that this creates for Tesla is not measured in months or quarters. It could easily be measured in years, possibly even a decade. The cost implications are equally profound. Every time Tesla's Giga Press completes a casting cycle, it is producing a component that replaces roughly 70 to 80 individual stamped and welded parts. Each of those parts requires its own raw material cost, its own stamping tool, its own handling system, its own quality inspection step, and its own assembly labor cost. By casting them all in one shot, Tesla eliminates the vast majority of those costs simultaneously. Now multiply the efficiency of doing that casting in 5 seconds instead of 90 seconds, and you get a compounding effect on cost reduction that is extraordinarily powerful. Lower cycle time means more parts per hour, means lower capital cost per part, means lower amortized tooling cost per part, means lower energy cost per part, since the press is running fewer total hours to produce the same number of castings. When you stack all of these efficiency gains together, the result is a structural casting cost that is, by Tesla's internal estimates, somewhere between 40 and 60% lower than what traditional multipart stampings and assemblies would cost for equivalent structural performance. For a company that is simultaneously trying to build a $25,000 mass-market EV and maintain profit margins across its lineup, this kind of manufacturing cost advantage is absolutely critical. And it's an advantage that flows directly from breakthroughs like this 5-second Giga Press cycle. Let's also talk about quality, because faster doesn't always mean better in manufacturing, but in this case, Tesla appears to have achieved the rare and remarkable combination of both. The new alloy formulation and advanced thermal management system that enable the 5-second cycle time actually produce a more consistent, more uniform microstructure in the finished casting compared to slower, less controlled processes. When cooling happens too slowly or unevenly, as it does in many conventional die casting operations, you get variations in grain structure throughout the part that can create stress concentrations and potential failure points. Tesla's ultra-fast, precisely controlled cooling process produces a finer, more uniform grain structure that translates directly into improved mechanical properties, higher tensile strength, better fatigue resistance, and more consistent performance from part to part. This matters enormously for vehicle safety, for crash performance, and for the long-term durability and reliability that Tesla customers expect. So Tesla isn't just making the Giga Press faster. They're making it better, and the two improvements are actually causally linked through the underlying engineering innovations that make each one possible. What does this mean for specific Tesla models? For the Model Y, which is already the world's best-selling car and is built on top of Tesla's existing Giga Press technology, a transition to 5-second cycle casting would dramatically increase production flexibility and reduce per-unit manufacturing cost even further. For the Cybertruck, whose massive stainless steel exoskeleton creates unique manufacturing challenges, the insights gained from pushing Giga Press technology to its limits could unlock new approaches to structural fabrication that complement the existing stainless steel body. But the model where 5-second Giga Press technology will truly shine is Tesla's next-generation affordable vehicle. The long-rumored sub-$30,000 mass-market Tesla that needs to hit aggressive cost targets to compete with combustion engine vehicles on pure price without relying on government subsidies. If Tesla can cast the entire underbody of that vehicle, front, rear, and potentially a new unified center section, in a total of 15 to 20 seconds across 3 Giga Press cycles, the structural manufacturing cost for that vehicle drops to a level that makes the economics of mass-market electrification genuinely viable at a global scale. This is not incremental improvement. This is the kind of step-change progress that Elon Musk has been describing for years when he talks about transforming the manufacturing process itself as Tesla's ultimate competitive advantage. The global Gigafactory implications are also worth discussing in detail, because Tesla isn't just rolling out this technology in one location. The plan, as revealed through various Elon Musk communications and Tesla engineering briefings, is to deploy 5-second cycle capability across all major Gigafactory locations simultaneously as the new standard for all future Giga Press installations. Gigafactory Texas in Austin, which is the current frontier of Tesla's manufacturing innovation, is the first location where this new cycle time has been achieved and validated at production scale. Gigafactory Berlin, which serves the European market and has been steadily ramping its own Giga Press operations, is next in line for the upgraded cycle time implementation. Gigafactory Shanghai, Tesla's highest volume facility and the production hub for Asian markets, will benefit enormously from the throughput increase given the sheer scale of Model Y and Model 3 production happening there around the clock. And as Tesla begins construction and tooling of future Gigafactory locations, whether in India, Southeast Asia, or additional North American capacity, the 5-second cycle time will be built into those facilities from day one as the new baseline standard. Here at DriveTech Tesla we've been covering Tesla's manufacturing evolution for a long time, and we can tell you with confidence that what Elon Musk has just revealed about the 5-second Giga Press is not just another incremental update or a slightly improved spec sheet number. This is a watershed moment in automotive manufacturing history. The kind of breakthrough that textbooks will reference decades from now when they talk about how the EV revolution fundamentally changed industrial production. The automotive industry has been built on the same basic structural framework for over a century: stamp steel, weld it together, assemble thousands of parts into a complete vehicle. Tesla is dismantling that entire paradigm, piece by piece, with innovations like this, and the 5-second Giga Press is the most dramatic proof yet that the new way of building cars is not just viable, it is definitively superior in every measurable way. Speed, cost, quality, scalability, and simplicity all point in the same direction, and that direction is exactly where Tesla is going. Looking ahead, the question everyone is asking is, how much further can this go? Is 5 seconds the floor, or is it merely the latest milestone on a path that continues downward? Based on what Tesla's engineers have shared about the underlying technologies driving this achievement, there is strong reason to believe that further cycle time reductions are possible. The alloy optimization work is ongoing, and Tesla's materials science team is actively exploring next-generation formulations that could enable even faster solidification without compromising mechanical properties.
That's why Tesla had to partner with IDRA,
the thermal management systems, which are already operating at the frontier of what's physically achievable with conventional fluid cooling, may
with this
eventually
technology,
be supplemented
frame
by
assemblies
novel
that once
approaches.
required around 70 separate parts can be replaced by a single
Cooling,
cast component.
phase change materials,
This not only
or
reduces
even
the number of
targeted
parts
laser
involved,
annealing
but also
techniques
eliminates
that could
large numbers of
selectively
robots,
manage heat
welding
extraction at
operations, and
unprecedented
potential
speeds.
points of failure in the
The
manufacturing
injection
process.
and ejection systems,
Most importantly,
while already
it saves
dramatically
time.
optimized,
And in Elon
continue to
Musk's
benefit
world,
from
time is the
real-world
most
production
important
data
metric
that
of all.
feeds back into the
What is
AI
truly remarkable,
optimization
however,
algorithms
is that
controlling
gigacasting
every
is only the
millisecond
first
of the
step.
cycle.
Even after eliminating
If
dozens
Tesla
of components,
achieves even a 50%
Tesla is still not
further
close enough
reduction
to its
from
5-second goal.
seconds,
The company has continued
getting down to
simplifying
2 or 3
everything with
seconds
its
per
4680
cycle,
battery
the
pack.
manufacturing
The battery is
landscape
no
would
longer
shift
just
so
an energy
dramatically
source,
that the
it becomes
word
a structural
competition
part of the
would
vehicle
barely
itself.
apply anymore.
The electrical system has
We
been
may be
redesigned to
witnessing the
use fewer
beginning of a
wires.
phase where
The
Tesla's
Cybertruck adopts a
manufacturing
48-volt
advantage becomes
architecture
so
and an
large that the
internal
primary
Ethernet
constraint
network,
on vehicle
eliminating a
production
wide
is no
range of
longer factory
intermediate components.
capacity but raw
The
material
reality
supply
is
and
that
customer
Tesla is not
demand.
merely designing a new car.
Elon Musk
It
has
is
long
designing a
maintained
car
that
that
the
can be
factory
manufactured
itself,
faster than
what
any
he
vehicle
calls
in
the
history.
machine that builds
That
the
car
machine,
is the Cybercab. According to what
Tesla's
Tesla has
most important
revealed,
product,
the Cybercab
and the
may require
5-second
only
Giga
about
Press
80
is
major
perhaps the
structural
single
components,
most powerful
compared with
validation
roughly
of that
200 in the
philosophy
Model
we've ever
Y.
seen.
That means Tesla
When
is
you can
eliminating
build the
more than
world's
half
most
of the
efficient,
manufacturing
most advanced
complexity.
electric
As
vehicles
the number of
faster
parts
than any
drops
other
dramatically,
company on Earth
the
builds
number of
any
production
vehicle at
steps
all,
falls as well.
you don't just have a better product.
And when the number of production steps decreases,
You have a
manufacturing
fundamentally
time
different
begins to
business
shrink
model
to
with
levels
cost
that were once
structures,
considered
margin
impossible.
profiles,
This is
and
the point
scaling
at which the goal of
capabilities that
producing a
simply
new
cannot be
vehicle every 5
replicated by
seconds no
companies that
longer
are
sounds
still
like
bolting
science
together
fiction.
thousands of
It
parts
starts
one
to
at a
look like an
time.
industrial strategy
The
that is
gap
being
between
methodically
Tesla and
implemented,
the rest of the
one step at
industry
a time.
isn't closing.
Yet even the
It's
Cybercab
accelerating
may
in the
not be
same
the most
direction as
ambitious
that
part of this
5-second
plan.
casting cycle, moving faster than anyone outside of Tesla's engineering halls truly anticipated. So what do you think? Is a 5-second Giga Press cycle the most impressive manufacturing achievement in automotive history? Will this be the technology that finally lets Tesla hit 20 million vehicles per year? And which Tesla model do you think benefits most from this breakthrough, the next-gen affordable car, the Cybertruck, or something we haven't even seen yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now because we read every single one and we want to hear from this incredible
because while
drive tech
most of the
Tesla
world
community.
sees a Cybercab, Tesla may be
If you
entirely
learned something
different, a
new today,
manufacturing
and
machine
we're pretty
capable
sure
of
you
fewer
did,
opportunities for
smash that
defects
like
to
button
occur.
because it genuinely
That is
helps this
precisely
channel
why
grow
Tesla
and
can
reach
talk
more
about
Tesla
producing a
fans around
vehicle
the
every
world.
5 seconds without the
And
idea
if you are
sounding
not yet
entirely
subscribed to
unrealistic.
Drive Tech Tesla,
Keep in mind that
what are you waiting
Gigafactory
for?
Shanghai
Hit
is
that
already one of
subscribe
the most
button
efficient
and the
automotive
notification bell right
manufacturing
now so
facilities
you
in the
never
world.
miss a single update
Yet
from
even
the
there,
fastest
a
moving
Model
story
Y
in the
still
history
takes
of
dozens of
transportation.
seconds to move through key stages of production.
We drop new Tesla and
If
EV
Cybercab is
content every
ultimately
single day,
manufactured using
and with
large-scale
breakthroughs like this
gigacasting,
5-second
combined with
Giga
a
Press
radically
happening
simplified
faster and
architecture
faster,
and the new
you
unboxed
absolutely
assembly
cannot afford to
process,
fall behind.
Tesla is no longer
Thank
talking
you so
about
much for
improving
watching.
productivity by a
Stay
few
charged,
percentage points.
stay informed,
The company
and
is
we will
attempting
see
to
you in the
redefine
next
the
one
entire
right here on
scale of
Drive Tech
automotive
Tesla.
manufacturing.